Hi guys, today I'm joining the doctors on strike. You can see the people, they are bringing problem, they want the minister to listen to them. As a human rights defender, this is part of my job because healthcare is a human rights issue. Look at the people, they are tired. We are at the Ministry of Health offices with the Amnesty Kenya guys. You can check. They are tired of, you can see even we are there, the police, they are ready to chase us away. Look at them. We are looking for the permanent secretary of health. We want to talk to him and tell them to pay back the doctors and implement. They are 80 days on strike, you see. That's a very big problem, you know. Even though I'm a herbalist, but no country deserves to have 80 days without doctors. The people are tired and they are on the streets. I'm also joining them as a human rights defender and as a person who cares for our nation, an active citizen. Look at the situation. The people want to be heard. I know they're blaming the government for the failure of the health sector. Everybody, no, though they are not over 200 Kenyans here, but I think these Kenyans are the ones who are active and they know their rights, you see. Look at the situation here. It's very dangerous. We are at the Ministry of Health headquarters right now, and we want to talk to the permanent secretary. I want him to talk to the doctors. You know, no country can survive 80 days without doctors. That is very crazy situation. Look at the people here. They are demanding for better health care. You see? They are making me very happy because if the citizens can stand up for their rights, that's what we've always been wishing for. Check the situation. It was organized by Amnesty and I like it, man. I like this stuff. The government must listen to the doctors. How can they ignore the doctors?